Liven app review. This tutorial will guide you through the features and functionality of the Liven app, as reviewed in the 2025 video by Yalan app. Whether you're a new user or looking to maximize your experience with the app, this guide will provide clear steps and practical tips to help you navigate its offerings effectively. The Liven app is designed to enhance your dining and shopping experience by allowing you to earn rewards while making purchases at various merchants. It operates on a cryptocurrency model, enabling users to pay with Liven coins, which can be accumulated through spending. Familiarize yourself with its interface by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play. Earn Liven coins for every purchase, which can be redeemed for discounts. Browse the list of partnered restaurants and retailers to maximize your rewards. Check for ongoing promotions that can increase your earning potential. Regularly check your transaction history in the app to track spending and rewards earned. Use this feature to analyze your habits and optimize rewards accumulation. The Liven app offers a range of features designed to enhance your purchasing experience. By following these steps, you can efficiently navigate the app, find great deals, and manage your rewards effectively. For further exploration, consider trying different categories and keeping an eye out for seasonal promotions to maximize your benefits. Happy saving!